ECHOSAT, Citadel of Healthcare Professionalism.
Medical laboratory technology is of the departments in Emirates College of Health Sciences and Technology. It comprises of the department coordinator and other staffs, of whom are registered medical laboratory scientists and registered medical laboratory technicians.
ECOHSAT is fully equipped with the medical laboratory science course. So we have equipment purposely designed, run MLT program.
The department runs medical laboratory courses and practicals are conducted in the main lab. The department has done tremendously by producing viable and outstanding students. The first set of the students, I can say the pioneers of the department, were graduated in 2019, and the second set graduate in 2020, this year.
Medical laboratory technician is a 3 years intensive semester-based program with strong exposure to practicals for the student to become an outstanding product in the frontier of education.
In order to gain admission into medical laboratory department, the requirements needed are minimum of credits pass in math, English, chemistry, biology, and at least pass in physics.
Meanwhile, the regulatory body is the Medical Laboratory Science Council of Nigeria.
And the medical laboratory department runs medical laboratory courses both in practicals and in theory, which are being mentioned as follows. We have the medical microbiology, we have the histopathology, the clinical chemistry, we have the parasitology, we have the blood group serology, and we also have hematology.
Medical laboratory department does not compromise standard when it comes to admission. After they were admitted, at the end of their program, they are going to write a national exam in which successful candidates will now be regarded as medical laboratory technicians.
The Art of Medical Lab Science Council of Nigeria has also set a period for the induction of this. This is signaling the fact that that means the products will be licensed and then be able to practice as professionals in their own cadre, and then that is giving an opportunity to also expand their horizon and then move forward.
They will give him lesson to practice as a medical laboratory technician. Then from there, he is or she is a registered medical laboratory technician.
We used to have good interaction between we and our lecturers. They used to teach us very well, and if we didn't understand anything, if you ask them, no, there is no any teacher that is going to get angry that you did not understand it or something else. He's going to ask you that from where you did not understand. So you are going to tell him the exact place he did not understand, and he's going to make a good exam explanation for you again.
Some other special programs that have been run in the institution that require interest of the public includes retrainee cadre, where candidates or students that have taken some other programs at lower level can come here and improve and take some other programs that will give them higher opportunities in their field of chosen study.
The scientists prefer tube method. Why? Because you will see the exact agglutination.
Our students are disciplined morally and academically. You can see at the far end of every semester, and interactive classes were convened to harvest the challenges and experiences of the students. Needless to say, extra classes contributed positively as regard to academics and personal lives.
The same feat was observed in National Pre-Certification Examination for PCN, that of Medical Lab Science Council of Nigeria, where medical lab technicians were also graduated. The health record officers that we graduated, their national examinations as well as licenses examinations were all very remarkable, that makes them prepare adequately for the labor market.
ECHOSAT, Citadel of Healthcare Professionalism.